Google announced the second generation of the Pixel at an event in San Francisco, and Phone Arena was on ground to check out the new phones. The Pixel 2 XL loses the headphone jack but gains a bezel-less display with a whole lot of other features too. Let's take a closer look. The first and one of the most important things you notice is of course the somewhat bezel-less display. The 6-inch POLED display has minimized bezels to the side and to a lesser degree at the top and bottom. This is largely because it sports stereo speakers here, and these sound quite good, though we tested them out in a very noisy environment. Somehow, compared to all the flagship competition sporting 18:9 displays, the phone still feels large and slightly hard to use. The QHD panel itself looks really good, but it displays very minor color shifts at extreme angles. Now, like the smaller Pixel, the phone is running Android 8.0 on a Snapdragon 835 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM. We've got the full spec list up on the blog for you to check out. The phone also gains the same squeeze capabilities, which is similar to the HTC U11, and this lets you trigger the Google Assistant. The right side of course has the orange colored power button that sits in contrast to the white and black color scheme. While in renders this looked a bit odd, the phone really is quite handsome in an approachable way. Now at the bottom is the USB Type-C connector that will be doubling up as the headphone jack. The phone is IP67 rated, making it dust and water resistant. The back of the phone has the same basic design language as the previous generation Pixel, but it's reduced the size of the glass panel, and it has hence decreased the chance of it getting all scratched up or breaking. Google says that the fingerprint sensor is the fastest in the market, which is something that we'll have to test out in our review. The Pixel 2 XL and the Pixel 2 both have received the highest DxOMark ratings till now, and yes, the cameras do take some very good photos. Better than the Pixel 1? Well, that wasn't immediately obvious on the screen. That said, the camera does gain a brighter f1.8 lens as well as OIS that is supposed to enable even smoother video capture. Considering how good the Pixel already was at this, it should be interesting to see the final results. Unfortunately, we got a very brief amount of time with the handset, so we weren't able to get more in-depth coverage, but that's something we'll take a closer look at in our full review. The Pixel 2 XL launches in India starting 15th November and is priced starting Rs 73,000, which is quite a large amount. Do check back for our full review on phonearena.com. This was Dhruv Bhutani. Thanks for watching.